in this song, part of our hashtag the pro challenge, I'm going to step out of my comfort zone a little bit, although not really, because we got a little country, but we got a little rap too, or a little hip hop. This one's going to be Old Town Road. All right, so the team said, Terry, you got to do Old Town Road for this challenge. So here I am, Old Town Road, 4-chord song. It's going to sound like something like this. Let me just do the chords first, and then we'll talk about the singing and the rapping part. Now, when I'm singing this, I'm probably going to play a couple of different strum patterns. I'm just going to give you like a basic one that you can play for the whole song. And then if you want to do some of the stuff I'm doing, feel free to. So the chords, normally it's actually in G sharp if you want to match the recording, but that gives you G sharp, B, F sharp, and C sharp. So I'm just going to move it down a half step to give you G, B flat, F, and C. And that's it for the whole song. Okay, now the rhythm I'm going to do is this. That's like the basic rhythm that I start off with, and then, like I said, I throw some variation in. Let's not worry about that. Let's just do this first one, and then you can follow me, add your own variation, whatever you want. But so it's just going to go down, 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 up. And that's it. And a lot of times I'll throw that variation on that last chord, that C chord, okay? But it's just going to get G, and then to that B flat chord, and that's a bar chord. There's really no other way to do it except for a bar chord. F, and then the C. Okay, so let's just do that, just straight like that. Ready, and... more time. All right, that's it. That's it. The whole song. Now, the important part is the singing and the rap. So let's do this. Here we go. We're going to do a chorus, which is the beginning. Then we're going to do that little verse part. And then we're going to do a chorus again. Okay? So, all right, so here we go. 2, 3. Gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I've got horses in the back, horse tack is attached, yeah. Hat is matty black, I got boots that's black to match, yeah. Riding on my horse hat, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been off on the porch. Can nobody tell me nothing? You can't tell me nothing. Can nobody tell me nothing? You can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Now, I would probably do a little chorus at the end, but I was like, you know what? Don't push it. That was good. That was good. I just literally learned that song a few minutes ago, so I'm happy with that. So you can do this too. This is a challenge for me. This is a challenge for you. This is Old Town Road. You got this. Get this down. I look forward to seeing your videos, and we'll see you in the next one.